What's going on?
I don't know.
What's wrong with Freddie?
I don't know.
He's fluttering like crazy.
They are very pretty, aren't they?
Uh-huh.
Okay, boys and girls, this is Miss Francis. Today we are letting our butterflies go. Avree, turn towards the camera. Avree's going to be filming with the GoPro, and Addie's going to be helping me. And we chose our front yard because we've got some flowers right now that they would probably love to get a treat from. And we chose today because it's going to start raining, right, girls? And we wanted them to get used to their environment. So here they are. They're fluttering, flying around. They've been enjoying their little pretend flower treat in there. And I think they are excited about being outside in the fresh air. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start unzipping. We've got a butterfly here. We've got 2 down on the bottom. Out of the 5, we have 3 that were surviving and ready to go into their natural environment, their natural habitat.
One fell.
It's okay. All right, Addie, are you ready to help me? Okay, I'm going to gently try to scoop this little guy. See if he'll get on my hands. Addie, hold out your hand.
Not too sad.
Lift it up, Avree. Okay. All right, Addie, come close. Here it is. Jeffy can take pictures too.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'll put one on yours too. All right, so here's our first guy. The girls named them Freddie, Camilla, and Velma. And we're going to release this Velma, this girl, onto a flower. Addie, Velma, you want to put it on the cannon? Hey, Cannon, scoot back, baby. You're going to go dig? Go dig, okay? Okay, go over there and dig. Okay? All right, here she goes. Here she is.
Velma.
Velma's up on the list.
Flower, look at her. She's so excited. And look at those beautiful wings.
It's a moon.
She's a painted lady.
Wait, what?
Alright, Avree, you ready for one? Okay, so we're gonna go back into
Our net little bunny.
into the nest. I'm gonna get one more for Avree. Avree, get your hand ready.
Which flower do you think?
Alright, Avree. Avree's got one.
It tickles.
Just give her some time. Ooh, I think he wants to stay on you, Avree.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
There's my life. There goes Freddie. There you go.
awesome. Okay, we have one more in here though.